1.
Dancers, please help us eliminate Sanrio! With 52% of you voting, palakpakan po natin si Aaron Cristobal!
Who would have?
Who would have
thought?
Who would have? And now we're down to our final 2 contestants. We have, of course, the chairman of the Board of Judges asking our final question.
Yes, Happy. It is indeed an honor for us to be introduced to the chairman of the Board of Judges because they are very much involved in a classic. At kung alam niyo to, magkakaalaman po ang edad natin. Walang iba kundi the registrar of Uncle Bob's Lucky 7 Club, Judge Patty.
Where do you think Alice Go is now?
Reminder lang po, beauty contest to hindi rally. Where do you think Alice
Where
Go
did
is?
Alice go?
Where did Alice go? Sailor Moon.
Again, let me throw my wand and I will catch it at the end of a question just in time. Shh. Where did Alice go? In Wonderland. And that is where she must be living a dream, maybe asking where to go, maybe also going to some island somewhere in between West Philippine Sea and South China Sea. There in the middle of things, maybe she is wondering, am I Chinese? Am I Filipino? But maybe fence sitting is not a choice. Will you fence sit come 2024 midterm elections? Be sure what position you are in. Otherwise, you will be like Alice Guo in Wonderland. I remember the words of Akira Kurosawa as he was writing Magnificent Seven. Sa'yo lang naramdaman ang di ko naman hinanap. Maybe that's why Alice Guo went here. Hindi niya naranasan ng kalayaan sa China.
Akala ko makakalimutan mo, katulad ng mga sagot niya. Okay.
Munti ko nang saluhin eh. Alam niyo po, okay lang po na magtanong ng ganyan. Kasi kahit saan po tayo, pwede po tayo nagtatanong. Wala pong tamang lugar kung saan po tayo magtatanong ng mga gantong tanong. Alam niyo po, lumingon-lingon po kayo sa paligid ninyo. Kasi hindi po nalalayo na nandito po siya somewhere. Alam niyo po kung bakit kaya siya napunta dito? Kasi alam ko kung nasan siya. Walang iba kung hindi sa loob ng bulsa ni Doraemon. Doon po siya bumalik, hoping na hindi po siya mahahanap. Pero kagaya ng mga maliliit na Polly Pocket, ng mga characters, mahahanap po natin siya. Magtutulungan tayo, magwawalis-walis tayo sa mga gilid-gilid, titingnan natin sa ilalim ng kumot, titingnan natin baka nakasiksik sa couch. Ganon din kung paano po tayo masinsin na maghahanap ng mga maliliit na Polly Pocket, ng mga maliliit na mga hairpin, ng mga remote. Ganon din po ang gagawin natin. At finally, kapag nakita na po natin siya sa ilalim ng ref, sasabihin nating lahat, boys only want love if it's torture. Bakit ka nandyan?
Maraming salamat po, Polly Pocket. Now, our contestants have beauty and brains and a heart. Vote for who you want to win. Vote with your heart.
We have more than 100 votes in. Neck and neck, mga kapatid! Masyadong malapit!
Dance number pala!
We have 20 more seconds to cast your vote!
Think about your future! Think about your future!
Grabe, Happy! Kakaiba talaga ang atmosphere dito sa Cinema 2 ng Shangri-La Mall. And we're down to our last
7, talaga!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Sino susundin?
Oh my God!
Sino susundin?
Only one winner!
Sino?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Sandali lang! Nag-close na po yung voting! Hindi namin mabuksan ulit kasi hindi kami marunong!
Alam ko na ang mangyayari! I will present to you the real Uniteam! Polly Pocket and Sailor Moon!
together.
Ang tunay na unity team, ganito po ang itsura ng totoong unity. Hindi nag-aaway-away. Your final words, ang final message niyo po. Yeah!
Thank you very much for voting
With
truth. We would like to share with you our book. Pasayawa ko day, sayaw kang sa uban. Ikaw may gusto ko, nganong ako niya may usan. Thank you!
Maraming salamat po, Sailor Moon and Polly Pocket. The first time in history that we see a real tandem.